That's a whole other conversation for another time.
That's a whole other conversation for another time.
Whole.
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 Whole. Whole.
Whole.
Whole.
Whole. Yeah. So let's write that word how it sounds to you. Whole. Whole. That's a whole.
That's a whole other conversation for another time.
Whole. I don't know why. Say it again.
Whole.
You're going whole.
Yeah.
Whole.
Whole.
Whole. So you're kind of going. You're kind of, if you can imagine, you don't want to say like a hoe.
Yeah.
She's not a hoe. It's whole. Whole.
Whole. Whole. Whole.
Not a hoe.
Whole. Whole.
She ain't no hoe. She a
whole. Okay.
So the moment you're going hoe.
I did it again. Yeah.
But it's the other way. You want to dip it forward. So whole.
Whole.
Yeah. So maybe right on top. Not a hoe. She ain't no hoe. She's a whole.
Whole. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. That's a whole other conversation for another time.
That's a whole other conversation for another time. I just did it again. I'm whole, but whole. Whole.
Whole.
That's a whole other conversation for another time.
Yeah. Whole. Whole.
Whole. Whole. Whole.
Whole.
Whole.
So if you would say whole dole, I'm going on the dole.
Dole. Dole.
The dole.
Dole. Dole.
Dole.
Dole.
Whole.
Dole. Sorry. Whole.
Whole.
That's a whole other conversation. Whole. I think I'm making it two sounds when it's whole.
Yeah, but you see, you're starting off with ho, but you want to go not ho, you want to go whole. Whole.
Whole. That's a whole other conversation. Whole other conversation for another time.
Whole. Okay.
Whole other.
Because we've got it this.
Okay.
I forgot.
Absolutely.
Why not go for the gold?
Why not go for the gold? Gold.
Gold.
Gold. Why not go for the gold?
Gold. Yeah, gold. Do you need to write that so that you remember how to say it? Gold.
Why not go for the gold? Gold.
Gold. That's the one. Yeah, that's the
gold. One. Gold. Gold. Why not go for the gold? Gold. I'm still sneaking two diphthongs in there, so it's just going to take some O vowel working.
Yeah, no, that's fine. It's older than your father.
It's older than your father.
Older.
Oh, older. Older.
Do you want to annotate that? Older.
Yeah.
It's older than your father.
It's older than your father.
You're going to have to make a note on that word because it's not quite right yet. Older than your father.